Craving something colorful, cozy and protein packed? Let's make purple yam chickpea open pocket tacos, a vibrant feel-good recipe for 2 people. Take 2 medium purple yams, wash and dry them, poke a few holes using a fork, rub with 1 tablespoon of avocado oil, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, bake it at 375 Fahrenheit for 45 to 50 minutes, always preheat your oven. In a hot pan, add 1 tablespoon avocado oil, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, sauté half chopped onion, 2 to 3 minced garlic cloves, add 1 can of chickpeas, 1 chopped tomatoes, a handful of spinach, 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt as per your taste, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon masala powder, a dash of al pastor seasoning and a lemon juice. Cook for 5 minutes until fragrant and aromatic. Mix everything well together. One avocado prep for final plating. After 45 to 50 minutes, take it out your purple yam from the oven. Slice the baked yam open from the center. Add a small handful of pepper jack cheese inside while warm. Spoon over your spicy chickpea filling on top of the cheese. Top with a dole of avocado Greek yogurt dressing for that creaminess. Avocado slices on top. Grated red color carrot and a fresh coriander for that final colorful touch. Colorful, comforting, clean, these purple yam pocket tacos aren't just food, they are a soul hug in every bite. If this made you smile, don't forget to like, drop a comment and subscribe to Soulful Kitchen. Your next favorite dish is just one reel away. Thank you.